Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the motor safe. Isolate power and apply lockout/tagout, then verify no voltage with the meter. Once done, set your multimeter to continuity or low resistance ohms. A diode range is not suitable. You should remove or free the three-phase leads from the terminal block so you measure only the motor windings. This removes parallel paths and ensures accurate results. Make sure your hands and tools stay clear of live conductors while you prepare for the next. Now you measure continuity between the phase terminals. Probe U to V, V to W, and W to U, one pair at a time. You should see low ohms and similar readings across all three pairs. Small differences are normal due to winding layout. Once done, compare values. Expect them to match within roughly 5 to 15%. If one pair reads open or very high compared with the others, that indicates a possible break or bad connection. Write down each value for reference. Finish by checking each phase to ground. You should see very high resistance or no continuity. If any phase shows low resistance to ground, stop. Once you suspect insulation trouble, use a megger to test with the prescribed test voltage for your motor and compare to manufacturer limits. After repairs, or if tests are good, reconnect leads correctly and power up briefly to confirm proper rotation and no unusual noise. Troubleshooting tip: if readings conflict, re-clean terminals and repeat tests to rule out poor connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.